Strictly G.I. Gibbering idiot, that is. He's supposed to guard us chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, dog. What do you want? You better keep a sharp eye on us chickens. I hear the weasels close by. Wouldn't do to let any of them young'uns slither out under the fence, boy. Go peddle your papers. Just trying to do you a good turn, dog. Now, look what you done. You let a chick get out. Now run, dog. Get him before the weasel gets him. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick. That dog's busier than a centipede at a toe counting contest. Here, hold these while I open the gate. No, Weasel. Oh, no, you don't. Come back here. Now, beat him. See? Hey, Weasel. Look, boy, don't waste your time with those little yellow fuzz balls. What you want's a nice, big, eating chicken, right? Now, like I was saying, I know where there's a nice, big, fine-eating Red Island road. You just wait right here, and when you hear me whistle, come a-running. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come and get it!
Dear, the nerve of her!
Why doesn't she have her own children?
Oh, my dear, she'd never land a man. She's too much of a D.R.I.P., if you know what I mean.
I had a cousin the same way.
Now that old hound dog is an awful pest. He barks so much I get no rest. Homely as an old mud fence. That old hound dog just got no sense. Oh, doggy, you're gonna get your lumps. Oh, doggy, you're gonna get some bumps. Oh, doggy. Huh? Now, what's that skinny old hen doing up on the barn? Huh? She must have flipped her wig and thinks she's a weather vane. Wham-a-doodle! She's jumped off. What's the idea of diving in no water? Diving's okay, but you just gotta have water. Any of this sifting through that little sunbonnet of yours?
Yes.
She reminds me of Paul Revere's ride. A little light in the belfry. Now, where was it? Oh, yes. Oh, doggy, the doo-dee-dee-doo-da. Doggy, doo-doo-dee-doo-doo-doo. That dog just can't take it. Wait a minute, sister. Turn off your fandango. Are you by any chance looking at me as a matrimonial prospect?
Yes.
Well, cross me off your list, gal. I belong to Bachelors Anonymous. So turn your damper down, gal. Get yourself a hobby. Gal reminds me of the highway between Fort Worth and Dallas. No curves. Hello. I've been snubbed. She must have another fella. I'd better check on this. Uh-oh, here he comes. I love yous. I'll buy you jewels. We'll travel. Why, that no-good love thief. Get your hands off of her, you interloping snake in the grass. This gal loves me. I'm marrying this gal. I'm marrying this gal. Oh, no, you're not. Oh, yes, I am.
Why, Prissy, they're fighting over you.
Yeah.
Come on, gal. Let's go before he wakes up. Like a dog, but he's a rooster, all right. He just wears that dog suit to keep the lovesick hens away from him.
Oh.
Now, here's how to get him. Everybody knows that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. So what you do is take this fine cassava melon over to him, show him what you got, but don't let him have it. You gotta tease him a little, make him chase you. Look, sister, is any of this filtering through that little blue bonnet of yours?
Yes.
Nice girl, but about as sharp as a sack of wet mice. For me? This clucks off a onion. All right, Salome. Give Papa the pretty melon. Give me that cassava, you pea-brain.
Ooh, he's chasing me.
I'm wide open. Shoot me a lateral. That's the old passionate kiddo. Your rooster, girlie. I've hooked him. It's up to you to land him. Sooner or later, she's bound to try to get him out of that dog suit. Then, whoa, Nelly!
Take it easy, boy. Stay down. Take the full count, boy. 7, 8, 9.
Anyone for buttermilk? La da dee doo 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 da doo da la da dee doo dee doo doo. Now what kind of an infernal contraption have you got here, dog? See a genuine flying saucer. A flying saucer? I don't believe it. But I'll take a look anyhow. It's a fraud. It's no good. All I can see is a lot of air with a hole around it. I don't see no flying saucer. Keep looking. Now I can see one. I can see it just as plain. It's heading right for us. We're gonna. 1 or 2 lumps, sir? 2, please. La da doo da doo da da doo da. If I can just get this clock to work, I'll doodah that dog, but good. Ah. Anybody get the number of that truck? Now what? I say, what's the big idea bashing me in the bazooka that-a-way, boy?
Gee, mister, I just can't help it. Whenever I hit a bell, I just gotta start throwing punches.
Punchy as a drill press. Starts throwing punches when he hears a bell. Boy, what you need is a good workout.
Yeah. Wake out.
Listen to me, boy. Pay attention when I'm talking to you. Now, what you do, boy, go over to that little house over there and ask the dog for the punching bag. Go on, boy, get going! That boy's about as sharp as a bowling ball. Hey, what's a big idea swatting me on a schnozzola when I'm sleeping?
When I hit a bell, I just gotta start punching something.
Yeah? Well, what you doing around here?
My friend over there said, would you kindly let me have the punching bag?
He did? Oh, yeah, sure, I'll leave you have it. Here you are. Tell him I wrapped it as a gift.
Thank yous, pal. I brung you the punching bag like you said.
Punching bag? Oh, yeah, the punching bag.
Your pal says I should tell you it's a gift for yous.
He did? Stand back, boy. It's probably a booby trap. Now keep clear now. Now, what in the world have we here? Say.
I never seen that kind of punching bag.
I was right. It was a booby trap.
I'm a chicken hawk, and I've got, such a thirst for chicken. I'm gonna hunt me one Indian style. Ooh, there's the biggest chicken ever I seen.
For a minute there, I thought I'd become a mother. This boy's making more noise than a couple of skeletons throwing a fit on a tin roof. Well, I say, what's all the hooping and hollering about, boy?
Me eat big chicken hawk Injun. Me last of no Hawkins. Me catch 'em chicken for dinner. You come quiet on me, let 'em you have it right between 'em eyes.
Now, hold on. I say, hold on there, sitting pretty. You don't want me. No, too old and tough. Hard as a picnic egg. What you want's a little tender chicken, like the one in this deep freeze. All you gotta do is sit on it a while and thaw it out. Say, boy, you cover about as much as a flapper's skirt in a high wind. Put down that mallet, boy. That's no way to hatch out a chicken.
Oh, I'm tired sitting on this old egg. I want a chicken now.
Well, maybe that's a slow hatching egg, but I've got a fast hatching one right here. But it's got to have plenty of heat. Pay attention to me, boy. I'm not just talking to hear my head roar. Now, the best thing for you to do is take it over and slip it under that warm dog.
Ugh, okay, me go.
Smart boy, got a mind like a steel trap, full of mice.
I hope it doesn't take long to hatch.
What's the big idea chasing my worm? You're a cat, son. Cats don't eat worms. You're taking the food right out of my mouth. I don't go around chasing mice. Stand up, boy. You're tripping over your own feet. Now, you stay away from worms, and I'll stay away from mice. That's fair and square, and if you'd stop all your arguing and jawing, you'd see my side of it. Yep. Keep that mouth flapping and do no listening. There's nothing worse than a blabbermouth cat. Hey, son, what you gonna do with that wheel? Give me that. Who do you think you are, George Washington? There's no cherry trees around here. What kept you, son? I can't hold my breath forever. I'm not a fish. I gotta breathe air. My lungs crave air. You gotta think of things like that, boy. Little consideration for me. You're down again. I don't want to be hoggish about this, so I'll tell you what. Let's divide the worm. Yeah, we'll draw a line and bisect him. Now, all on that side of the line is yours. I'll take all on this side. Well, barbecue my ham hocks. Your half is gone. Now, don't give me no lip, son. You gotta stick by your bargain. I'd do the same. Well, hog gravy and chitlins. My half is gone. I know what you're gonna say, son. When two halves is gone, there's nothing left. And you're right. It's a little old worm who wasn't there. Two nothings is nothing. That's mathematics, son. You can argue with me, but you can't argue with figures. Two half nothings is a whole nothing. And I know what I'm talking about because... Shut up! Okay, I'll shut up. I'm not one that has to keep talking. Some fellas just have to keep their mouths flapping, but not me. I was brought up right. My pa used to tell me shut up, and I'd shut up. I wouldn't say nothing. One time darn near starved to death. Wouldn't tell him I was hungry.